Unveiling the Truth. Understanding. Here are the facts. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase. Here are the facts. This expression is not just about presenting information. It's a powerful tool in communication, used to clarify, persuade, and inform. So, let's get started and unpack the significance of this phrase together. Here are the facts is a straightforward expression used to introduce or highlight factual information in a discussion, argument, or presentation. The word, here, signals that what follows is immediately available or being presented, while the facts refers to information that is indisputably true, based on evidence or clear proof. This phrase is often used to draw attention to the objective reality of a situation, cutting through opinions, assumptions, or speculation. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal presentations. Here are a few scenarios. Debates and arguments, to strengthen your position or counter misinformation. Academic and professional settings, when presenting research findings or summarizing key data points. News reporting, to underline the objective reporting of events. Personal conversations, to clarify misunderstandings or when sharing important news. The key to using this phrase effectively is to ensure that what follows truly represents factual, verifiable information. It's a way to signal honesty and transparency in communication. While, here are the facts, is a clear and direct statement in English, its use may vary across different cultures. In some contexts, it might be seen as too blunt or confrontational. It's important to consider the tone, setting, and relationship between the speakers when using this phrase. Additionally, translating this expression into other languages requires understanding its nuances to preserve its intent and meaning. Here are the facts is more than just a way to present information. It's a declaration of truthfulness and a foundation for clear communication. We hope this video has helped you understand the depth and versatility of this phrase. Remember, effective communication is not just about what we say, but how we say it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you. Stay curious, and keep learning.